Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, LiveLoveCrochet. So today I am back with a sneak peek. So what we have is a bean stitch pattern cardigan for a 6 to 12 month old baby. So throughout the cardigan we have bean stitch all through for the arms also, and then we have a bit of ribbon for the sleeves, single crochet ribbon, and then for the waistband we have single crochet ribbon also. For the buttons we have single crochets, which is going to be a little bit wider than what I normally do. For the collar we have single crochet and half double crochet just to make a nice little collar. I didn't want it too large, so I think that is fine as it is. So this is going to be a two-part tutorial. So if you want to make this cardigan with me, then you can either look out for the video coming up, or you can hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications in the future. So that is it for today, and I hope you will join me for my tutorial. So I will see you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.